Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some homemade mozzarella stuffed pretzels. So good. If you want to see how they turned out, keep watching. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me thank all of my new subscribers and don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know. Okay, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm going to start off by activating the dry yeast. And so you just take a large bowl and I'm going to add a cup of lukewarm water and just add the packet to the water. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar and just take a spatula or a spoon and just swirl it around, making sure that everything is mixed really well. And just set it to the side for about 5 minutes so the yeast can activate. In a separate bowl, let's put together the dry ingredients and I'm going to add 3½ cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and just take a spatula and just swirl it together. After 5 minutes, the yeast is activated and now you can combine both the wet and dry ingredients together. And now I'm going to take my hands and just begin kneading everything together until I form a smooth dough. So this is what the dough is going to look like, and you just want to put it back into the bowl and grab a clean towel, cover it up, and just let it rest for 45 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put together the stuffing for the pretzels. So I'm going to take some mozzarella cheese and I'm going to cut around a cup of mozzarella cubes. I went ahead and I rinsed some fresh rosemary and I'm going to go ahead and take some leaves off and take my knife and chop or mince around 2 tablespoons of fresh rosemary and add it to the mozzarella cheese. Now I'm going to shred 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and add that to the bowl as well. And that's it. Just grab a spoon and just mix everything together. And we're going to set it to the side and we're going to go back and check up on the dough. Okay, so after 45 minutes, you can see that the dough has doubled in size. And just take it out and put it on a flat surface and begin rolling it out. And then just take a knife or a pastry cutter and then cut it into 8 parts. And now you're going to take one part and begin rolling it out into a long rope. So you're going to need some room to put the cheese filling, so just take your fingers and just flatten out the dough from the center out. And now you just want to take some of the cheese filling and add it to the center of the dough and then roll it over until the edges are completely sealed. And now that everything is sealed up, go ahead and tie your dough into a pretzel knot. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm sure you guys can probably tie a better knot than me, but I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit with the rest of my pretzels and let's go over to the stove. I already have a pot of water boiling and I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/4 cup of baking soda because we're going to dip our pretzels in a water bath. So just take each pretzel and just let it sit in the water bath for about 30 seconds each. Now once your pretzels are done soaking in the water bath, you're just going to sit them on a flat cookie sheet and you're going to sprinkle the rest of the Parmesan cheese mixture on top. And at the very end, I'm just going to top it off with some coarse sea salt. I've already preheated my oven at 475 degrees and I'm going to bake it off between 15 and 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes of baking in the oven, this is what my pretzel knots are looking like, and they look so good, you guys. I can hardly wait. I think I'm going to grab one straight out the oven because they're best served when it's nice and hot. Let me go ahead and pick one up, and I just want to show you the stuffed mozzarella cheese inside. Look how amazing that looks. So good. You guys give it a try. And that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please give a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.